And we do not know it's still how many people might be affected by this water main break. But let me show you what the street looks like at this time. If you take a look next to me, you will see how the sidewalk is a completely muddy and messy situation. It is very difficult to walk through there, and the road is also very slippery. It's a combination of all the water were rushed down and the ice and the snow, making it a nightmare for neighbors here in Manayunk. Take a look at video we have from earlier today when that water was rushing down Seville Street. Honestly, more a river than a street. It was really complicated for folks to get down walking or on a vehicle. The water main break was reported shortly after 2 p.m. and this is the second one in just 2 days here in Manayunk. By around 3 p.m., city crews were able to shut down the water off and began assessing the damage. As I said before, we are not 100% clear on how many people might be affected by this, but right now back live on the scene, you can see some people are trying to shovel some of their vehicles off the street, telling me that, of course, the water made the ice even more complicated of a situation. And we were talking to some of the crews that were here assessing the damage from the Philadelphia Water Department, and they are telling us that they're very busy responding to situations like this all over the city. The city tells you that if you have anything like that happening on your block, make sure to call the water department and select the emergency option. They will try their best to get there as fast as they can, but just know that this is happening a lot this week here in Philadelphia. Back to you.